Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome to, you'll see from the title, but you'll notice that the introduction is a bit different. Now the reason why is my audio failed on the video and I didn't even realise why. But you'll see from the VT, I'm at Clive Atho Tuning, and from the title as well, you'll notice that I am doing things to the RS3. So big maintenance things, so really full service, getting the car ready to go stage 2 and to mod it heavily ready for, I say heavily, mildly to heavy for road track and you know what I normally do really. So yeah, like I say, Clive Atho are in Norwich. You'll see Dale, who is one of the main guys there, as well as Clive, and he will take you through the nitty-gritty of what's done on a full service. They're Volkswagen Audi Group specialists, and yeah, anything supercar like as well they play around with, but definitely very good with Volkswagen Audi Group. They're also Revo tuning, Revo Technic tuning specialists as well, but they do lots of other software as well. We're likely to be going that route with Dale and the guys as well as lots of other amazing things coming up on the channel. Anyway, enough babbling, let's just get into the video and join me, and if you've got any questions, as always, hit us up in the comment section.
Rather brown.
Nice clean brake fluid there from a 2019 car with circa just over 30,000 miles. As you'd expect, don't matter where you go and how clean these are and how new they are, yeah, just stuff like that doesn't surprise me. Yeah, no huge hidden scary things per se we've seen, but Dale's been just cleaning up the back of the alloy, ready to go back on the rotor, and cleaning the back of the rotor and the front plate faces of the rotors. It's been cleaning out the holes, again, other little bits that some people forget, just basically cleaning out the little rotor holes, which is a really nice touch, getting the dust out of them so they ventilate in the correct way and cool in the correct way. But in general, yeah, the car's all good, but we're doing a lovely full service on it today. Doing the Haldex oil, Haldex filter, lots of bits again that not everyone would do. But yeah, we, like I said to you in the intro, getting this car ready for kind of stage 1, stage 2 and possibly beyond, but we're thinking stage 2. But yeah, getting the maintenance done, getting it ready. And then hopefully in the not too distant future, we're going to have a non-stock car and see what we can do the 100, 200 and half mile in. And this is going to be more of a weapon than it already is. So we're now going to put some Castrol React, so better brake fluid in there. Obviously it's very old, very tired, very disgusting, and Dale's setting up his bit of machinery to pump that in there. And then we're going to have much better braking, which is nice. Obviously, I'll probably talk about this now actually just really quickly. Dale mentioned it as well. He knows obviously lots of other customers that come in, and I probably have maybe minutely talked about it, possibly, I can't remember. And that's the brake system on this car. Huge discs, 370mm, 8-pot calipers, so absolute beastie. You'd think these would put you through the windscreen. They actually do on the road, but apparently the more, when you start to really push them on track really hard, they can fade and really struggle on OEM pads very easily. So one of the things I'm going to do really soon, obviously coming into winter I'm not going to be doing track days, but I think before we start the next part of or start of summer should I say, and show season, track season, kind of March time, we're going to definitely put some really good endurance brakes on there. Probably try and kill these rotors and these discs, so and yeah, maybe get another better floating disc set on this. Maybe when we put the pad in as well, I don't know, we'll decide at the time. And then yeah, with that we're thinking of doing the bigger anti-roll bar. Apparently if you go with the bigger anti-roll bar, it really makes the rear kind of check in and helps the car rotate a bit and makes it kind of less understeery at the front, although this is the all aluminium engine, so it doesn't understeer that badly actually. It's actually a really good handling car, but it can be better. Same with the tyres. P0 tyres are very decent, but some spicy, better tyres are going to be even better, so we'll go for that as well. Right, so we've got the car down on all fours, and yeah, we're just doing up everything, and yeah, going to continue with the rest of the service. But yeah, so far so good, all going well, lots still more to do, but yeah, can't wait to mod this car up a lot more. It's just, I love it in this white and in the factory saloon format, very, very nice. So we've got, is this the
oil filter, engine oil filter.
Engine oil filter.
Obviously it's got a man oil filter, which is usually who makes it genuine anyway.
Yeah. So half decent and non-OEM basically, so yeah. Which is a shame. It's obviously fairly rough as well, isn't it?
No, it's not too bad.
It's not too bad, yeah, not too bad. Yeah.
No shiny bits.
Yeah, which is always good. Thank you, Dale. That makes me feel better. Could have pre-warned me before you scared me like that. No, that's good to hear. So no shavings in there, so we've got a healthy motor that's going to be even more healthy now that it's got a nice full service of all its parts. We've got and we've got OEM parts going in as well, which is beautiful. So better than these non-OEM cheapy parts. Get rid of them things and get the good stuff in. Proper like really high-end oil going in there. So even though the Haldex is relatively old, actually the condition and colour of that looks quite good, but nonetheless we're going to change it, and obviously it'll still be better, it will want it and need it. So yeah, we'll crack on. So Dale has just checked the Haldex filter as well, and actually the oil and the filter do look really clean. Obviously the oil's already been drained, so we'll replace that anyway, but the filter looks so clean that it doesn't need to be cleaned really. It can be just put back in, which is great. It's nice to know. Nonetheless, the gearbox oil definitely does and did need a change, so yeah. Are all changed, and we just to let you know we've gone for these super amazing competition spec plugs. Reason being is we are planning to go stage 2 very soon. Obviously we're not now, but we have put them in, so I wouldn't say there's a concern, but the heat range is heat range 9. I think OEM is an 8 or a 7, but so I'm a little bit concerned to some extent. I mean, I could have or should have maybe waited for the software to go on and all the other bits on, but I'm going to give it a go and see if we have any drivability issues. If we do, we can just put the OEM ones that we've got there. Actually, we can check the heat range, can we? The 06 may, can't get it to focus. I think the 06 may stand for 6 heat range, which I find it very hard to believe that's just heat range 6, but we'll see. Right, so Dale's got the car up again on the ramps, and we're just doing some of the near final bits. We've not got too much left to do. The gearbox oil is being drained because it's a nice optimal temperature, and then the new gearbox oil will go in, and then I think we are not far off being done actually. So yeah, I'll keep you up to date on the progress. So yeah, we've got not much else to do. We're just draining the gearbox oil, and then I think we've got a pollen filter to put on. Obviously fill up the gearbox oil, and then pretty much done. So yeah, I'm looking forward to driving this to see how it feels. It should feel a lot nicer because it's had lots of nice service bits on it. New filters, lead brakes, new brake fluid, full service parts, Haldex oil, Haldex filter checked, gearbox oil, engine oil, obviously with a triple Easter race oil, which is from Miller's. It's the CFS stuff. I'll show you. It's there. Takes around 7 litres, is that right, Dale?
Yeah, about 7-ish
litres. So obviously you have to buy 10. I've got this stuff from OP Oils. Nearly always the best for a price. Really, really good. And yeah, it should be really good. I'm looking forward to driving the car to see how it feels actually. Should be good.
Oh dear, mate.
That looks like it it's been replaced recently. So everything else weren't too bad here and there, but pollen filter, I reckon we should replace that. What do you reckon?
Just try and see if sometimes they put dates on these.
Is there any birds in there?
Birds. There's a few eggs.
Yeah. Nice. We'll replace that thing. So that is the end of the video, guys. I know it's a bit of a quick one as such, but I just wanted to let you know of another place you can potentially get your Volkswagen Audi Group car, or any car for that, sorted, serviced, etc. Obviously I've got a lovely high-end flagship RS3, which I adore and love, and I want to obviously make sure that it's hunky-dory and really, really nice. So this is where I'm going to go for in the future for my bits, service bits, etc. Links in the bio to everything I said and where this is, phone numbers, etc. And if you've got any questions about anything I've done today, hit us up in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer you. As always, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe. See you again in the next one. Bye for now.